Hello, Demetria Graves here with the Graves Law Firm, and today we are going to talk about how the court determines custody and custody awards. Well, before we even get there, I always say it is always better if the parties can determine for themselves what is best for their children, because you as parents know better than anyone what is in their best interest. You know where they go to school, you know what their sporting events are. So I highly encourage you to try to come up with something that works best for your family. In the event that you're unable to do so, the court looks at what's in the children's best interest. And that is just as broad as it sounds. So the court will determine where do the kids go to school, what sporting events do they engage in, how far will the parties live from each other. And the goal of the court is to encourage frequent and continuous contact between both parties. So the court is going to try to come up with some form of an agreement that works for the both of you. And as you see, nobody knows what that may be. So when you go into court, you do it blindly because you don't know what the court is going to order. That's why I'm going to go back and say, if you can come up with an agreement, that is in your best interest. Before you even get to court, the court will also make sure that you go to what we call mediation and attempt to come up with a custodial schedule that works the best for you and your family. And in that regard, you have a say in what's going to happen. There are no surprises there, and you can do what's in the best interest of your family. Typically speaking, we have an array of custodial agreements, and of course, something might be different for a 5-month-old baby than a 5-year-old. So the arrangements are going to change per family. There's not a cookie cutter arrangement for anyone. So that is how the court determines custody. But as I said, it's always best if you can come up with a better arrangement, or if you can come up with a solution with your ex before you even get to court. I am Demetria Graves with the Graves Law Firm. I hope this video was helpful. I encourage you to review our other topics on YouTube and visit our website. And thank you so much for watching.